Well, here we go, guys. Here is the main menu for the Blu-ray 4K slash Spider-Man No Way Home. I just got this today in Amazon through Amazon Prime. I would have actually picked up and bought it in the store, but I actually managed to finally catch COVID. Not that I'm proud of that, but I didn't want to go into the store, so I got it delivered, and it came around 4 o'clock in this day, so that's not a bad time. I'm just glad I got it the same day it came out. But you know what? This isn't really a review of the movie, because we all know the movie's awesome, so, and it looks nice, it looks fine. I mean, I don't know what the video quality, because I'm still on a crappy old 1080p, and I need a 4K TV. But it's kind of a bummer that the disc, there's like an Ultra HD Blu-ray disc in there that I can't play on my Series X. It just didn't work. I don't know if it's the Series X or because I don't have 4K TV or I don't have the right cable. I don't know. But I guess the only really thing to talk about is the extras. And the extras are okay. I'm just sad, again, the biggest disappointment for me, there's no commentary, and none of these movies, none of these new Tom Holland Spider-Man movies have commentary. Actually, I don't have Far From Home, so I don't know for sure, but it probably doesn't, because I have Homecoming and now I have this one, and neither of them have commentaries, and I don't know. I just really it's a huge letdown because I love commentaries so much, and they're my favorite feature by far, and all these features here just kind of feel like the same MCU Marvel movie features. Like, they all have gag reels, which, you know, any movie can have a gag reel because people are always messing around. A lot of it is just kind of the fluffy stuff, like this part here, A Spectacular Spider Journey with Tom Holland, is literally just a 6-minute puff piece of people sucking Tom Holland's spider dick. Like, basically just like, Tom Holland's so amazing, oh my god. Not that he's not, I mean, he's a good actor and all that, but you know, it's just, a lot of the stuff is very puff piecey, like, just hype stuff. None of it's like no one really makes several hour long making ofs anymore for movies. They're all just kind of like filler thingies. They're like, we gotta get these special features out of the way, so while we're shooting, there's going to be a guy behind you, and every now and then you might have to be interviewed, but I don't know, it's just, they don't put as much work into it as they used to. It's just another part of the thing. Oh, we gotta make the movie, and we gotta do this on the side. So a lot of these are just just not all that, none of them are really all that interesting. I mean, this one here, alternate reality Easter eggs, is kind of okay, but it's just a video that shows you some Easter eggs, and there's like already a million YouTube videos out there that do that and show off way more things than this video does. But as you can see, the background menu animation is pretty cool. That wasn't part of the film. I mean, I watched the end credits, and I don't remember seeing this in the movie. So this is new thing, the cool animation that plays during the menu. And Graduation Day was kind of like a little piece about how Tom and Zen and the other guy, I don't even know his real name, to be honest, or like, you know, worked on 3 movies together, and this is probably not their last one, but they're talking like it could be. But a couple times during this features, Tom Holland himself was like, if this is the last one, or it might not be, if we do this again, we don't know, because Tom Holland's the worst for like spoiling things, so maybe he did just let the cat out of the bag that there will be more Spider-Man movies, which we've already heard that there might be anyways, or maybe that's just him talking. This one here, just, I mean, some of them are like, I can't even remember what they are anymore, just even though I only watched these just like an hour ago. I already forget what some of them are about. But Meeting of the Spiders is just kind of like a little bit interview with all the three actors, and it seemed like it was early on in production, like a week or so into it, maybe for them. I don't think it was one of those after the whole filming was done interview. It was kind of like during an interview, and the same kind of thing here, because they're all sitting in the basement scene of the sanctorium with the like in Doctor Strange's place. And this here is, I think this is new. You might be online somewhere. I never saw them, but they're like three little news reports from J. Jonah Jameson, and they're not the ones that were in the show, in the movie, so they're different ones. So I guess that's okay, but it's kind of lame that that's one of the best features on there. Like, I really just miss several hour long making of, like, of the entire beginning of how this movie could be made. It'd be great. And there's 0 deleted scenes. Someone told me that there was going to be hours and hours of deleted scenes on here. I don't know why they thought that, but I'm surprised that there aren't any, because like lots of deleted scenes are always a part of movies, features, and it's surprising that there aren't any at all. So I don't know. So yeah, it's kind of, I don't know, it really lets me down when I get a new Marvel or any movie, but especially a comic movie, when I just want to hear them talk about how the movie was made and all that stuff, and not in a puff piece way where they kind of have to because it's part of their contract probably. So it's a bummer, but I don't care. I wanted to own the movie just because I love the movie and I love Spider-Man, and hopefully I'll get a player that'll let me play the higher res version. So I don't know if the one I put in is the 4K, if it's playing it from 4K, because I know the Series X can still play 4K, but I don't know if that depends on if still running the 4K disc, even though on my TV I don't see all the 4K, but it still looks really nice. Like watching the movie just on 1080p with that was like, this is really already super sharp and crisp. I don't know how it could even get any better. But if it was on a 4K TV, I guess it would look better. But maybe not by that much. But there's really not a whole lot on here. I don't know. You just got your basic extras, and then that's it. And I don't know, it's only about an hour and a half, not even an hour and a half of total of extra things to watch. I don't know, I just wish for movies like this they would put more effort into it. Because I could watch stuff about this making of this movies like this forever. There's even a couple of trailers, but you know, nothing we haven't already seen. But is it a good disc? I mean, I give it a 6.5 just because it doesn't have a commentary. But it's still a great movie, so you know, I'm pretty much just gonna leave this in my player and watch it on repeat for like weeks now. But other than that, I don't know. If you're interested in grabbing it for yourself through Prime, I'll have a link below. I ordered it and it came day of release, and that's 2-day Prime, so it's not bad for a movie on the day of release. So if you're buying it now, it's already out, so maybe it won't be as long, even faster. Who knows? But just click below if you want to buy it. Just know that if you're looking for a wealth of great special features, you're not going to get them on this. Anyways, thanks for watching.